So today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade guacamole, which is an avocado-based dip made in Mexico. For my guac today, I used an avocado, tomato, onion, some lime juice, and seasonings. To tell if your avocado is ready, you can peel back the stem, and if it's green like this, it's good to go. I then cut my avocado in half, and I took out the pit with a knife like this, and then scooped out the insides with a spoon and added it into my bowl. I then chopped up some tomatoes and onions and put those in and squeezed about half a lime. I also added some garlic, although I didn't include that in at the beginning. Then I put salt and pepper right on top, as well as my other spices and seasonings like garlic powder and onion powder. Finally, I took a fork and I mashed everything together, making sure it was still a little bit chunky. And I ate this guacamole so fast that I didn't even have time to include a video of me enjoying it. But this is the recipe and I hope you try it.